Most Blender beginners destroy their topology with Sub-D, so here are 5 subdivision methods, and only one gives clean professional results. Add a cube. Extrude 2 faces along individual normals. Add loop cuts around the mesh. Now duplicate it 5 times. Method 1. Just add a subdivision surface modifier. And the surface starts curving everywhere. Good for organic shapes, bad for hard surface. Method 2. Now add support loops near the edges. Apply Sub-D again, the shape gets sharper, but the mesh becomes harder to manage. Method 3, aus best. Now use the knife tool. Press K, then C for cut through. Cut the mesh cleanly. Merge the vertices. Add support loops only where needed. Delete the extra loops. Now apply Sub-D. Boom. Cleaner shading, cleaner topology, less geometry. This is easily the best method here. Method 4. Now keep all the extra knife cuts. Merge the vertices. Delete the extra loops. Now apply Sub-D. The result still looks clean, but the topology becomes way too dense. Harder to edit later. Method 5. Now use knife again. And then delete the back support edges. The surface starts curving again from the back, and the front also gets affected, because subdivision affects the whole mesh. So add edge loop in the front also. So yeah, Method 3 gives the cleanest balance between sharp edges, clean shading, and optimized topology. Save this before your next hard surface model.